ni irutanirie kugitira indo na utonga wa akenya mitambo-ini ya nenda cia ukinyaniria wa kiriu na nginyagia njaa wa nenda icio thutha wa wagagu wa wikinai nenda-ini gukorwo ukiongererka. Kamiti ya kuhurana na wikinai nenda-ini na mitambo-ini ya kiriu yugite ati mari cemba kuhurana na wikinai uyu makiria riri bururi uri mihang'o-ini ya gukorwo ya gukuria wonjoria kugerera mitambo ino ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu ukihũthĩra mitambo ya kompyuta.
Ucenjia wa mbeca kugerera thimu cia moko na mitambo ĩngĩ ya kiriu, ng'enda cia ukinyaniria cia muingi kuhithukirwo hamwe na wikinai gutabanĩrio mitambo-ini ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu nimo mathĩna maria mang'etheire ũhũthĩri wa ng'enda na mitambo ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu.
Concerning various challenges they are facing in the cyberspace, most of them being on the issue of mobile money, challenges with mobile money transfers, especially those ones which end up in the wrong numbers and they are not able to be reversed. We also have issues of online impersonation, hacking into people's personal social media accounts, and others. We also discuss about challenges of e-commerce.
Kuringana na kamiti ya kung'ethanira na wikinai ng'enda-ini na mitambo ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu igitongorio ni murugamiriri munene Ndagitari David Njoga augite ati thirikari iri cemba kung'ethanira na thina uyu kuona ati mitaratara mikinyaniru ni igathikitwo niguo kuhukia kaimana na kugiririria thina uyu.
Just to highlight that the draft regulations talk about some key areas, one of which is the management of cybersecurity using cybersecurity operation centers. The other one is protection of critical information infrastructure, which supports the livelihood and the economy of our country. There's also the concern and the domain in the regulations highly highlighted, which is capacity building so that we can have skills, tools, technologies which are homegrown to support our digital ecosystem. And lastly, cybersecurity being a transnational and cross-border phenomenon, that how do we cooperate, how do we collaborate, how do we partner with the entities locally and across the borders for the purposes of managing crime and so on.
We are hoping that these regulations, once they come into force, they will help address some of those challenges.
Maya mothe mokite oriri thirikari iri mihang'o-ini ya kugacirithia wonjoria wa bururi ikihuthira ng'enda hamwe na mitambo ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu na riu thina uyu ugakorwo uri muhinga munene hari gukinyaniria muoroto uyu wa thirikari.
As a country that is also aligned with the digital economy and transformation agenda, we see cybersecurity threats as heavily impacting the social economic landscape of our country. We believe through this process that we are going to improve on the draft and come up with the regulations that will help us as a country move forward and support the government's agenda of digital transformation and place Kenya as a leading digital economy in the global map.
Itemi nene ria kuhukia thina uyu makiria ni guthomithia muingi njira cia kuhuthira na kugitira ng'enda na mitambo yao ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu.
Going forward, once these regulations are enacted, we shall do a lot of sensitization to wananchi. That has come as a major concern because of the complex nature of cybercrime and cybersecurity issues, given the high dependence on technologies by citizens, by organizations, and even government to drive its agenda.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Chege wa Wanjohi.
Some good photos and all that.